So it's where the social work originated. No? London. Okay, London talaga, class. Okay, letter B. Actually, nasa dalawa lang naman yung sagot dito. Either USA or London. Nagkakatalo dyan. The other thing, yung iba, ang dami nagsasabi sa akin dito. Yung iba sa Europe din sa iba. Mas specific talaga, specific talaga sa London. Okay? Sa London talaga siya. Number 2. Social work concept for development of responsible citizenry. Okay? So, yung keyword mo dito ay settlement. No? So, English educator po. For development and responsible citizenry, mutual aid and group. Educator. Kung siguro sino daw yung mga nauna, no? Una regarding dito, English educators po. Sila po lagi yung introduced dito. The first teachers of group of the Philippines were sa Young Men's Christian Association. No? Sila yung first na kuhan dyan. Okay? Number 4. The first agency in the Philippines where group work was demonstrated. Saan kaya? Philippine Youth Coordinating Council. Okay? Group work. Specific pa naman ito, more of trivia. Hindi pa mahirap. Unlike the processes and steps. This purpose of using group service by agencies is carried out by organizing groups that are intended primarily to help the members to acquire values. Socialization. Okay? When acquiring values, attitude, norms, no, nakikipag-socialize ka dyan. Okay? Recreation, katuwaan, developmental para ma-develop. For example, walang trabaho, magkatrabaho. Prevention para may maiwasan. Treatment, more about, ito kasi yung sa family problem, psychological backgrounds. Establishment of schools and social work in the Philippines. In the early 50s, particularly this school, brought about practice of social group work in welfare agencies where to have place in the field, no? Baga parang ano yung established na school, Philippine School of Social Work, no? PSSW, 1950s. Kung yung tanong is yung mga pinakaunang mga schools, yan yung iba na yung magiging sagot. Early 50s kasi. Group members perceive psychological rewards from the experience of helping others with their problems. Albert therapy principle. Yan yung nagtutulungan-tulungan sila. Okay? Result of all persons acting on members to remain in the group. Group cohesiveness. Okay, group think, yan kasi yung kuan. No? Nag-proceed na kayo sa isang project without carefully analyzing it. Group goal, of course, goals sa grupo. Group discussion, mag-discuss lang kayo. The following are internal forces in groups that can influence attitude goals except none of the above. Kasi lahat po yan nakaka-influensya. 9D. All the following are interaction patterns considered as inputs in group process except none of the above. Kasi lahat ng to ay, no, nakaka-steer up sa group interaction. Operation, accommodation, suggestion, at imitation. O lahat yan. Kung nakaka-apekto yan sa grupo, lahat naman yan. No? So, walang exemption na of the above. Conflict in a group is competition on, bakit naman competition? Dominance. Dominance na kasi yung negative dito. Service, attention. Ay, kung yan, positive yan. Okay? So, dito natin nakikita na okay lang naman yung competition, wag lang umabot sa conflict. According to Suhendri, the key dynamic of formation stage is union. Okay, union. D, Eagle. Which is true about group social environment. Ano daw meron sa social environment ng grupo? 3 and 4 lang po. So number 1, separate social affiliation. Hindi po yan. Hindi po personal. So mali ka agad yung 1 and 2 kasi hindi po separate. Ginroup mo nga, separate. Personal, hindi po to personal. Hindi po to isa-isa. So 3 and 4 lang yung tamang sagot, letter A. Target of influence, individual member and the source of influence is the group. Medium of change. Ito kasi yun, no? Kumbaga, paano mo babaguhin yung grupo? Pag sinabi nating target of change, babaguhin mo yung grupo direct. Itong si Juan, kung late siya lagi, didirect ako siyang kausapin. Siya yung itatarget ko para mag-change na siya na yung diretso. Pag sinabi nating medium of change, no? Sabi kasi dito, the target of influence is the individual member and the source of influence is the group. Pwede ko sabihin ko ganun. Kung lahat ng grupo present, magbibigay ako ng reward. So, na-encourage si Juan, ay kami pala na grupo. So, gamit ko lang yung influensya ng grupo para magbago tong si Juan. Agent of change yan. Agent of change, yung grupo nagbago na, nagamit para magbago yung ibang grupo yan, naging agent of change sila. So, the most important aspect of group surveys, effort should emanate from agency's purpose. One only. Okay? Group service, conceptualization ng agency purpose. Services, yung target clientele, services, at saka eligibility requirement, wala siyang masyadong weight kung hindi pa na-clarify yung purpose of the group program. Okay? Kasi kung hindi clarify yung purpose of the group program, iba yung eligibility requirements, iba yung target client, at iba yung services. Importante yung purpose ng program na yun. In social work groups, assessment and action planning are, ano kaya? A, undertaken first, no? With the prospective group members individually and then with the group. Ganyan talaga, no? First talaga, kahit pag group work ka class, no? Yung assessment and action planning, especially assessment, no? Personal talaga. Individual. Meron tayong individual focus assessment at meron din tayong group focus assessment. Pag sinasabi natin individual focus assessment, nakapokus ka lang sa taong yan. Wala nang iba pa sa problema niya. Inisa-isa mo sila. Tapos, para buuhin mo sila as grupo, hinanap mo na doon yung mga similar problems. Usually, dapat din similar yung age. No? Similar yung hilig. No? Ganun. These are the tools and the means used in social group work, okay? Program media. Meaning lang naman to, meaning. Meaning ng program media. This is it. Tools and means. Refer to the selection of group members and deciding the size of the group. Saan daw siya na part ginagawa? Sa group composition. Hindi po recruitment, hindi naman to trabaho. Hindi po hiring, no? So group operation, halata mo, mag-select ka ng members. It's the process of getting a group organized so that it can start to function to move toward group formation. Ano yung keyword? Group organize in synonyms as group formation. Group composition, i-compose ka, group organizing. Ang group organizing, yan sa banda na sa unahan ng group formation. Pag na-forma na, nagsimulang mag-organize, no? So, huwag kang ma-distract sa same word. Sometimes same word, panggulo lang yan, wala talagang ganyan. The worker's own reason for the group's existence can be analyzed in terms of the following. 1 and 3 lang po. Okay? Hindi po kasali yung composite of members individual purpose. Hindi po individual purpose work. Yung casework, individual purpose yan. Okay, isa kasi yan yung casework. Yung group work, grupo dapat yung pagkakaisa. Workers, yung hindi kasali members, understanding for the purpose of the group. Kahit pa, ibig sabihin kasi yung number 4, members understanding of the purpose. Sometimes kasi, hindi pwede yung understanding ng members lang. Dapat yung understanding nila based talaga sa purpose din ng agency. Hindi pwede, okay, yan yung naintindihan ko. Like, kinlarify mo, hindi pala yung purpose ng agency, iba pala yung naintindihan mo. Okay? So, 1 and 3 talaga. No? Workers, agency's purpose and workers' goal for the individuals. The product of a group work interaction, okay, group goals. Pag mayroong interaction, nakakabuo ng goal. Yung output, yan po yung wala sa intervention na may result na. Group process, group worker group entertainment, di masyado yung worker group relationship, di masyado. No? Prada kasi nanap dito eh. Ano naman kung mayroong relationship yung worker group? Kung wala naman nangyaring goal, wala ding mangyari. Ano naman kung may system yung group? Group system perspective, no? Kulang po yung perspective. So, may iba kasing tao na ang galing lang sa perspective. Yung baga pa, tingin lang ba? Tingin vision. Pero wala, hindi makaroon ng goal. Is when the worker and the group members discuss areas of mutual concern, consider different means to pursue these sort of differences, and incorporate exploration. Okay? Iba yung brainstorming, tutulungan kayo ganon. Group interview, alam mo yun, interviewhan kayo by grupo. Bargaining, no? Para ka nakipag-negotiate. Negotiate. Group think, yan yung group think, negative po yun, no? Negative po yung meaning ng group think. Yan po yung in-approve yung isang project, no? Without proper thinking. All activities, workers' intervention, and group action, when group system directs toward activity of individuals and group goals. So implementation. Kasi intervention eh. What's the other word for intervention and making action? Plan implementation. Okay? Saying what you really think when you feel it should be expressed. Leveling. Rather keep your day. So leveling mo po. Wag po yung manahimik ka. Pag sinabi natin ventilation, no? Para ka nagpapahangin kasi mainit yung ulo mo. Ventilate, no? Inilalabas yung mga bad feelings. Disclosure, no? Nilabas mo. Dinidisclose mo yung information. So dito talaga labeling dito, leveling. Refer to planned group process designed to communicate your knowledge and ideas to change your attitudes. Tamang sagot ito, group dynamics. Okay? Group dynamics. Hindi po process to. No? Interventive activities, hindi po activities to. No? Dynamics, ito yung nangyayari sa grupo. Changing, modify. It's like, Kasi pag sinabi kasi nating dynamics, madaming nangyayari. Dynamics, no? It's seen as the major means to realize both group effectiveness and individual gain. Self-direction. No? Dito kasi, no? Dapat meron din talagang sa parang the words individual gain. So lahat, meron pong self-direction yung every tao. Okay? It's seen as the major means to realize both group effectiveness and individual gain. So self-direction po yung tamang sagot. Kung hindi pwedeng cooperation. Kasi kung cooperation, hindi walang individual gain. Kung cooperation, di ba, para sa lahat. Nagtutulungan ng lahat. So self-direction po to dito. There is a testing of the group worker and other members and attempt to formalize relationships and to create power and control. Dito na part class, ito po yung part na sa dito process, no? Meron tayong pre-group, re-affiliation, separation, intimacy, group formation, group composition, ganun po yan siya. Dito na part of nagkakapistingan yung iba't ibang tao, no? Nagpapataasan ng status, so power and control. Tendency to concentrate attention on an object, an idea, and activity. So, interest. Diba? Diba kung may interest sa isang bagay, dyan yung concentration mo at attention mo. Hindi po wants, hindi rin po needs. Kasi yung pag needs kasi, yan yung pinakakailangan bigyan ng agapan, bigyan ng something. Hindi po obsession. It is general class of group activities each of of an interconnected sequence. So, program. Okay? Program, hindi po project. No? Program po. No? Group of activities po yung program. Interconnected din. Sometimes kasi yung project, iba-iba. No? Iba-iba. Which is the least inappropriate description of a person as social being? So, person as social being. Okay, social being. Ibig sabihin ng least inappropriate, hanapin mo yung pinakatama. Ano yung sabihin ng social being? Ano yung tingin din ng ibang tao sa'yo? Diba? Kung being lang, ikaw yan, human being, ikaw. Eh ngayon, naging social being na. Ibig sabihin, sinabi natin social, relationship mo sa ibang tao din. So, how we look good to other people, doing their respect. It's not about kung ano, papansin tayo, but is how a social being description is. Our reputation sa ibang tao. Hindi po security, hindi po survival, hindi po source of living or danger. That's more about physiological needs and security needs. It is the arrangement of relation. Okay, halata naman ang structure. Okay, structure. Interrelated part. Alam mo, nagpagawa ka ng bahay, may bubong, may foundation, may dingding. Ano yung tawag dyan? Ito, nakakarelate dito yung mga engineer. Structure yan. Ano? Teka lang ha. Guluhan ako dito. B pala yung sagot dito. Sorry. Yan yung pwedeng maging distractor pala. Okay? Arrangement of, kaso lang, kulang kasi, nakukulangan ako kung system. Kung balance. I would rather answer here, system. Okay? System lang ang sagot natin dito, B. Is the leadership characterized by minimum input, okay, o functional. Functional. Ay, hindi. Is characterized by minimum input, the participation of the leader members are left to function. Okay, left to function or struggle. Yes, functional. No? Left function or struggle. Okay, mag-function na kayo. Ganyan na, no? Situational, no? Kumbaga, meron naging leader lang based on situation. Depende sa nangyari. Laissez-faire, no, dinidelegate niya lahat ng trabaho. Tamad. So dito, no, minimum participation. I'll evaluate. Members are left to function. Okay, C yung sagot dito. Kung may word na delegate class, parang lahat na lang inuutos niya, laissez-faire yung sagot. Yung laissez-faire kasi, parang ikaw yung leader, ikaw yung kapatid, pero nang uutos-utos ka lagi. No? Itong left to function, no? O, sige, nag-function na lang sila dyan, no?